Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin immediately. Choose the forest map and head straight for the waterfall area because that rock is the tunnel entrance. Make sure your tracking is steady. Once there, swing short, controlled arms to shimmy up the boulder. Position yourself on the right side lip, crouch, and execute a forward lunge through the narrow gap. This is the first actionable move. Do not overswing. Precise, small motions get you inside without overshooting. Once through, stabilize your position and prepare for the descent. Once done with the entry, the tunnel narrows and requires measured movement. You must keep low and use controlled momentum. You will alternate steady arm swings with tiny hop bursts to preserve speed without hitting the ceiling. That prevents resets. Make sure to step around squeeze points and hug the right wall where the floor drops slightly, because this keeps clearance. If you hit a ledge, pause, reposition your hands, and then push through with a short burst. This section is about rhythm and precision, not raw force. You finish by dropping into a cramped chamber that opens up into the secret area. Move slowly so you don't bounce back out. Scan the walls for a faint seam or alcove and press gently into any recessed spot to reveal more space. Make sure to keep momentum low to stabilize inside the chamber. If things go wrong, if you get stuck or clipped, calibrate your play area, recenter yourself, and if necessary backtrack to the boulder entrance and repeat the entry with smaller, more controlled swings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.